my name is Mrs. Chavez, and I teach here at Pinecrest in the Innovation Lab. I'm the computer science teacher. And here in computer science, some of the things that we do all the way from K through 5th grade is we learn about programming and our computer languages with some different robots. So we have a robot for kindergarten through 2nd grade called Kibo, and his language is barcode, so it's a screen-free robot. And the kids are able to use programming blocks to program that robot to do different things. And as they progress into older grade levels like 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, it's a little bit more advanced. It can do Python, it can do C++, different kind of languages. We just kind of work in a basic language that it has, which is like a block-based coding, as going back to like when 3rd grade they have block-based coding. Blocks just look a little bit different, and within those blocks we can program it to speak and do human-like things because now is a humanoid robot.
The Innovation Lab is like a really neat place, so we get to make stuff, we get to create stuff, and we get my favorite part. So when I grow up, I think I'm gonna be a video game designer or something like that. And here I'm getting to know programming.
So what I really enjoy about teaching computer science is seeing the kids with all their exploration and their collaboration and their creativity. I love seeing them have those moments where they're like, yes, I can do this. My program worked, all the way from kindergarten, 1st, 2nd graders, and then I like seeing them progress up into 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade when their programming becomes a little bit more challenging, and they can still do it, and then they start to see the connections of what they've learned in kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade, if they've been here since then, all the way until when they get into 4th and 5th grade.
My name is Erica Kellum, and I'm the innovation coach and esports teacher at Pinecrest Elementary. I also as a part of my job, I facilitate students visiting the Flexibit. Our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders visit. We have 4 Flexibits on campus. They are different hands-on science activities similar to the Science Center in nature. And when the students come through, they're engaged in problem solving that aligns with standards they're learning in the classroom. It's really exciting to see the kids in these spaces because they're getting to solve problems and it's in a fun way. So in the moment, they don't always realize they're learning. They don't feel like they're working. They're excited to get to leave the classroom. It's almost like a field trip here at school.
My favorite part about the Flexibit is that you get to like actually touch things, and like it's kind of experiment, but it's more. Like I love it like a lot because like there's different things you can learn about different substances and metals to see if they actually attract to a magnet or not. I actually want to be a biologist, scientist when I'm older. So I think it really helps me because it's like helping me like kind of know what I want to be when I'm older, and it's kind of like helping me.
I want to be an artist or a teacher, so like the Flexibit helps me more being a teacher because I can teach like math or science. So because the Flexibit shows how magnets can attract different metals and also different substances.
Actually in 3rd grade, we were doing this project with like where we had this like sail cars, and we were trying to build them like with like wheels and stuff, but we only can use like specific materials. So the materials we use are kind of like straws, like tape, and like paper and stuff. And it was kind of really hard to like actually like make it like go, but we actually figured it out at the end.